Hello students, welcome back to the new video. Today's topic is 10 lines on unity and peace in India. So it is very easy, let's start the video. India is a beautiful country with many different cultures. Unity means we all stay together as one big family. Peace means we live happily without fighting. We celebrate many festivals together with joy. We speak different languages but are all Indians. We should respect all religions and traditions. Helping each other makes our country strong. We must solve our problems by talking, not fighting. When we are united, our country can achieve great things. Unity and peace make India a happy and prosperous nation. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.